Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about helping my friend to set up for a birthday party. So you will definitely see some of the things I've done on my channel before, like the Jamaican fruit cake that is a favorite, and I'll be making a balloon garland, and I will also be making the wine bottle bouquet for the head table. So I will show you bits and pieces of the items that I will be making, and then I will show you at the end of the video how it came together in the space. So if you're interested in seeing all of that, please stick around. And again, thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Now let's get started. So this is the cake, guys, and I went ahead and made it a day early so I could go ahead and add the wine to the top for the cake to soak that in. And these are the cake boxes that I will be using. I think my friend got these from Temu, along with the stickers that says thank you that I added to the front. So I went ahead and cut the cake in small squares. I wrapped them in some plastic wrap and then added them to the box. And this is how it looks. And ta-da! A little heart on the top, guys. How cute is this? This box is really nice and I really love it. And I have a video for the cake on my channel, so if you want to know how to make that, the link will be in the description box below. Alrighty, so now moving on to the wine bottle bouquet. Here I have some red and black roses because the theme is red, black and gold. And you can see in the middle there a wire cutter. I did get myself one because it makes it so much easier to cut the flowers. So I'm going to start by inserting the top of the bottle into the floral foam. And there's also a video for this on my channel, which I will put the link as well in the description box. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, you can check out the video. So I'm adding the roses to the floral foam. Just make sure to check for balance in terms of color if you have different colors that you're using. So this is how the bouquet turned out, and I'm really loving this one as well, and this will be great for the head table. So now to start working on the balloon garland. Here I have some 12-inch balloons. I think these ones came from Party City. So I also have a video on my channel with how to make a basic garland, so I will also put that link in the description box below. So I'm going to start by making some dupes, and then I will make them into quads. So I've inflated the balloons, and you would want to squeeze the bottom a little bit while releasing the air just to make sure they are rounded. So I'll inflate as much as I can from home before going to the venue. Makes it a lot easier. So now that I have two sets of dupes, I'm going to go ahead and make them into a quad. So all you have to do is to connect them at the neck like this, and then you will twist them, and that will keep the balloons in place. So here I have some 12-inch balloons, and I'll be doing the same thing. So I'll be making dupes and then I'll put them into a quad. So you can also make bigger clusters if you'd like by adding more balloons to the quad. So I did make some clusters of 6 balloons for this garland, using also some 9-inch balloons. So again, you want to connect these to the necks like this, and then you just twist, and that's how you make a quad. So here I have some 5-inch balloons, and these I'm going to be using for the fillers. I'm going to go ahead and give it about 3 pumps of air. That's enough. And I'll tie them together again in dupes, and then I'll put 4 together to make a small quad. So you use fillers to fill in any holes that you have in the garland because you want it to look full. And you can also use like flowers and other stuff for fillers, but for this one I'll be using the 5-inch balloons. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to use one of these balloons. It's called a 260 balloon. These are the balloons that are used to make balloon animals. They're really stretchy, so it gives a lot of flexibility. I'm going to tie one end to one of the clusters, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie the end to the other cluster that I have. So when I have it like this, it's very easy to just wrap it into the garland and place it in whatever position you want to place it in if there's a gap. Some people also do use rubber bands to add their fillers in, but I like to do it this way. So now it's time for the fun part, which is the setup. So go ahead and enjoy, guys, and I will check in at the end of the video. Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.